I still hear your name, like a song that never fades.
Every shadow on the wall still remembers what we were. In the silence I can feel how the echoes start to stir.
Every breath I try to take feels like reaching through a dream. I was lost but now I know love's not always what it seems.
Oh, I try to move on, but the night keeps you near. Every heartbeat whispers that you're still here.
Hold me through the silence, don't let the darkness fall. In every breath I'm calling, you're the reason through it all.
Hold me through the silence when the night feels too long. I'm reaching for your heartbeat in the memory of our song.
Every moment that we lost lingers softly in my mind. I would cross 1,000 stars just to leave the past behind. And if time could turn again, I would find my way to you. 'Cause the fire never dies when the heart still beats in two.
But the night keeps you near. Every shadow whispers that you're still here.
Hold me through the silence when I'm breaking inside. Every tear that falls reminds me love was never just a line.
Hold me through the silence, don't let my spirit fall. I'm waiting for tomorrow, where our hearts recall it all.
And I know you're still the flame inside, even when the world runs dry. If love can cross the endless sky, then we'll never say goodbye.
Hold me through the silence till the morning light returns. In the stillness, love will find us through the fire, through the burn.
Hold me through the silence, one last breath, one last song. Even if the world forgets us, a melody lives on.
Echo of love fades away, leaving only peace and the sound of forever.